Okay, welcome back to the 8-box hobby break. We're down to the last 2 boxes, Leaf Ultimate Draft and 2011 Sage Autograph. We'll go with the Leaf Ultimate Draft. Let's see if we can have a big hit in this one. There goes the plastic. There go the seals. Stephen Ridley, Luke Stocker, 10 of 20. Justin Houston, 2 of 49. 5 of 5, Julio Jones. Nice hit. Julio, he's what, Falcon? Alright, we'll go to the last box. Sage Autograph Football. 14 packs, 3 cards to a pack, 1 autograph per pack. So there will be 14 autographs in this box. Good luck. I think so far we've had a pretty good hit in just about every box, I would say. Let's see if we can continue. Ryan Mallett, Mark Herzlich, Daniel Thomas autograph. Mark Ingram, Charlie Gant, Ricky Stanzi autograph. The Thomas was number 50 of 200. I don't see a number on the Stanzi. Jordan Todman, Ryan Kerrigan, Jeremy Curley, 65 of 200. Torrey Smith, DeLone Carter, Rob Hausler autograph, 125 of 200. Julio Jones, Tawan Jones, and another Ricky Stanzi autograph. Alright, Red Dog's done good in this box. He's picked up 2 Stanzis already. Oh, this is good. Dane Sossenbacher, DeAndre McDaniel, Von Miller autograph. Adam Weaver, Mark Herzlich, Torrey Smith, 125 of 200 autograph. These packs do not like to open. The cards are very thin. Edmund Gates, Sam Diacho, Jamie Harper autograph. Demarius Moore, Cecil Shorts, Charles Clay autograph. Jake Locker, DJ Williams, Casey Matthews autograph. Got 4 packs to go. Daniel Thomas, Stephen Padd, Jarrell Jernigan autograph. 3 packs to go. Blaine Gabbert, DeAndre McDaniel, Jamie Harper autograph. 2 packs to go. Yes, this is another good box for people. AJ Green, Tywan Jones, Jake Locker autograph. Shane Vereen, Charlie Gant, Nate Solder autograph. I want to thank everyone that bought teams. We'll be shipping these out tomorrow. And we had quite a few teams that did not sell, so I think what I'm going to do with them, and give you guys a heads up, is I'm going to list them on eBay with their hits and put them on there for 24 hours and see if some people want to buy some of these that did not sell. Good luck. Thanks again. Look for our other breaks coming up. If there's something you'd like us to break, email us and we'll look into it. We like to open. Thank you.